Are you done? Damn.
It is the peanut butter thing?
Oh, yeah, peanut butter? Just to watch it send.
Keep doing it. Oh, he's doing it a little bit.
Are you still doing it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Daddy, it sticks.
I did it to Rhonda. 20 minutes.
Max.
You should have seen his. He was really going.
Now he's trying to lick himself to make use of the tongue thing, I think.
He gives it up. Get down and now you're going to take chances.
It's got fat, but it's supposedly good fat. Keep doing it, man. Come on. You stopped. Oh, no. And now he's like, ooh, more. Look at that. He wants more.
That was good. Kind of more.
Put on your finger.
Tommy.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Oh.
The sink's for.
I'll do it. If you want.
Right up, man. When you do it, right up the ridges of his mouth. She's doing it for you right there.
Max.
Come here, boy. Come here.
Max, this way. The mess.
Here. Run it up.
He's sliding all over the damn floor.
There you go. Look at him. Look at him. Too much might make him sick, but see? Don't do it. Good dog, man. Good dog. Yeah, you're a good dog. You're a good doggy. Good dog. Good dog, Max. Good
I'm
dog.
following him around just trying to film it.
Good dog, man. Yeah, baby, you're a good doggy. You're a good doggy.
I think he stopped. No, didn't.